Okay, so this is tutorial 2 from the Arduino basics, and what you'll see in a minute is I'm going to zoom in on the Arduino just a little bit, and I will do some quick coding to show you some of the things you can do with this project just by messing around with a few of the LEDs. So right now what you can see is they turn on in the sequence, and you see the blue and the transparent, then goes yellow, green, and red. Okay, so then slowly I will make some modifications to the code and you will see different variations of what's going on. So for the first part of the code, you notice that the lights will go on and off. So there's a delay for each of those parts. Okay, so each light will go on and then off. So there's a command in the code that tells it to turn on and to turn off, and then for there to be a delay between each of those. Right now, I've changed the code so only these two lights light up. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do real quick is add a command . Hopefully, after I add this command, a second LED will turn on. Let's see if it's true. The yellow should turn on. There we go. But as you can see, since I did not put a off part, it'll just stay on like that. Okay, now I will get the and it is case sensitive, so if you do not input the correct commands, it will not do what I want it to, or what you want it to. Now you see all three light up, only this one blinks. And for the last bit, I'm gonna put in the code digital write bracket LED 3, which corresponds to the red, high all in capital, and semicolon. Now the last light should light up in the sequence, hopefully. There we have it. Okay. Then I can place a bunch of the old code back in, and we can see how now they all turn on at the beginning, but then they also turn off. There you go. Well, that's just one of the things that you could do with this tutorial, but there's a lot that a lot of variations. You can change the order in which the lights turn on and off. It's really cool. I think that the people from Arduino or Osepp did a fantastic job of making it easy for anybody, so anybody could do this. But anyway, I hope that you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, I will make more of them. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it.